So may confidence yun for 3 days. So I just got my new contacts here at EO and we are waiting it for now.
2035 po, but once open good for 3 months. Okay. Yung ride po natin 325 sila po 200.
Okay po. Okay, thank you. So we're buying this, guys. Buy one, take one. Donut. For 105 pesos. Yay. Add some ice. And it's already 1:13 a.m. So it's April 7th. It's our monthsary. 28th monthsary. But I'm so busy with So we're already done with our finals sa micropara. So, meron pa tomorrow, pero at least survive today. Wow. Pangit. Eto. We are going to buy Coco.
Thank you for waiting. Order niyo po.
Available pa po yung pearl milk tea po.
Yes po, available.
Dalawang lunch po. Ay, po.
So we're just waiting for our order. Hi! We're going to eat dinner na because it's late na din. And I have exam pa tomorrow. Yeah, we have an exam tomorrow. So, kailangan na namin magmadali. Yeah, for our 28 months review. Bakit mo? So, we bought Happy Meal. So, we bought Happy Meal guys. Two Happy Meal. Princess Peach. And then, how about you? Mario?
Saan mo siya isabit?
I don't know. Makakatanggal ito sa buklo.
Tip na lang.
Princess Peach and Mario. Na laki ng chicken. Hi! Wow. So, pauwi na kami, guys. Sweet. This for morning. Nag-review na din ako. So, today, nag-review ako for our finals exam sa NCM 103. And then, yung original schedule ko is 11 to 12. Kaso, biglang na-move siya ng 12:30 to 1:30 siguro. And then, I was finding a inspiration for my art up later. Kasi wala pa akong gawa. And then, mamayang 5 to 8 naman siya yung schedule ko. So, ayun. So, I just need 3 principles of design. So, nakapili na ako for contrast. And then, I forgot yung isa. Yun, contrast and emphasize. So, I just need 1. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung pipiliin ko. So, ayan. So, dito ako sa library. And, ginagawa ko yung activity namin for later. Na 2 weeks ako pinagawa. And then, nag-cram ngayon for 3 hours. So, tapos na yung first subject namin. So, mamaya 10 to 11 yung second subject namin. So, we have total 4 subject for today and 1 down. 3 more to go. So, I'm eating lunch muna. Kasi mamaya pa palang 2:30 yung last exam namin. So, ako lang mag-isa dito. na rin yung finals ko, guys. Tapos na. Tapos na yung paghihirap. So, ipagdadasal ko na lang yung magiging score ko. But now, I need to be relaxed, settled, chill na. Kasi, it's already done na, guys. So, ayun. Just makakapasa. See you second year. Ayan. Ngayon, pauwi na ako. And then, yung iba nasa loob ba. So, sino yung una naman kung sino una naman na matapos, yun, pwede na umuwi. Libre ako ni Mama. And then, one ice regular matcha latte po.
Ay.
And then, dalawa pong wings and rice. And then, isang wings and fries.
Ay.
And then, isa pong group na overload nachos.
Group na natin.
Apo.
Ano yung additional na?
And then, last po, biscoff na croffle.
Risk of travel.
Yes. So, I try the matcha latte. And then, ano ito try? He try the white mocha. Matcha latte. Yeah. Tama lang. Treat ni Mama kasi tapos na daw yung finals ko. Last bite. Iska. Nag-hunting kami.
That's all yeah. Oh, what the
Ito ina talaga no. Paghanap na ako pagpapalitan ko. Ano?
Feel ko parang ano siya. Parang straight lang siya.
Lock in. I-claim na lang. So I have ice sea salt matcha latte and then ice Australian chocolate. Wow. And then meron akong free sticker.
Kaya nga pala, sorry.
The best. Exchange kami.
Busog daw.
So, lumipat kami ng place, guys.
Stop. Stop. Kalaban na ako. Speedy stop.
So, we just saw outside here. And the last time na nag-landmark, 29 lang to. Pero, at least dito mas malapit kasi save more lang to. Eh, yung isa na 29 sa Nuvali pa. So, at least dito, piso lang yung difference. Grab this, babe. Hindi ko kailangan ng tofu. Bala ko sana mag-tofu ngayon kaso wala. We'll try this chilled taho for 35 pesos.
O ito na lang, mas malaki ito sa
Oh, sige. I think... Oh, ito
piso
pala.
ng diferensya.
Itong Lucky 7. Nasaan yung price?
19 lang.
Where?
Carne Norte din. Dalawa?
Hmm?
Dalawa binili.
Mm-mm.
O mahulog. Creamy ba?
Seafood lang.
Yung creamy seafood ang masarap. Carbo.
Let's take 2. Wow. Ilan pa? We're going home na. So I was making one for tonight. So I'm gonna pour it. Ta-da! My evening matcha for today. With my 2 egg pies on the side.